Welcome to the professional barbecue party. Whoa! As you can see, there's quite a bit of professionals here with their own unique trade. There are some extreme professionals here, no doubt about that. But what makes me the professional barbecue chef is the all-new ASMOKE Portable Pellet Grill. The fruity and smoky flavor that comes from the 8-in-1 pellet grill comes from high-quality 100% Applewood pellets. The ASMOKE Pellet Grill is so easy to use that even beginners like myself. My little secret. After loading the Applewood pellets, set the dial to the desired temperature and the auto pellet loader does the rest. It works like this. Pellets feed through the auger which burns and heats the grill. Somebody get burned? No, friend. The food grade pellets are perfectly safe, ready to cook, and easy to use. The ultra portable grill is great for parties and can heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. You can bake, sear, char grill, roast, braise, smoke, and barbecue all in one griller. Wow! The bold design also makes it easy for cleanup. Some people might be harder to impress than others, but the beauty of this pellet grill is that it does all the work for you. You can simply set it and forget it. Here, try this. You too can have an amazing smoky applewood flavor with the ASMOKE Portable Pellet Grill.
Love your barbecue, man!
You're most welcome. ASMOKE. We put flavors first.
Zega is smart, app-enabled walkaway cookware that does the cooking for you. With the Zega app, choose from delicious recipes and remotely monitor your cooking so you're no longer a slave to the kitchen. With its unique double-wall thermal insulated design and smart control technology, Zega heats in just minutes and continues to cook safely for hours off the stove. Simply turn on the stove, add your ingredients, and when it reaches the required temperature, switch off the stove and walk away. Your food continues to cook without the need for gas or electricity and then stays hot for hours. You return later to a nutritious home-cooked meal that's ready to eat. We all know the importance of nutrition and eating well. However, most people just don't have the time or the energy to spend hours in the kitchen cooking for themselves and their families. Conventional cooking takes a lot of time, requires our full attention, and ties us to the kitchen. Zega makes it simple and easy to cook healthy and nutritious meals for you and your family. It is walk-away cookware, so you spend less time in the kitchen and more time doing the things you love. The secret is the double-wall construction that sandwiches a thermodynamic layer of air between two sheets of 1810 stainless steel. It traps heat and moisture inside the pan like a thermos bottle, so you heat it for just minutes and it cooks for hours, all by itself, off the stove, no stirring, no tending. And its unique self-basting lid keeps your food moist and succulent, locking in more flavour. With the Zega app, you can choose from delicious, healthy recipes prepared by our expert chefs who have done all the thinking for you. Zega's unique self-cooking process means your food retains more nutrients and it's always cooked to perfection. Unlike conventional cookware, Zega cooks without direct heat, so it's impossible to burn while it's self-cooking. Simply add the ingredients to the pan, heat it up to the required temperature, then turn off the stove and walk away. Zega continues to self-cook while you get on with your day. Also, because Zega saves on your gas and electricity bills, it ends up paying for itself. The Zega app, meanwhile, remotely monitors your cooking and notifies you when your food is cooked. Zega incorporates the latest technology to ensure your food is cooked perfectly every time. Zega cookware comes with a steamer that doubles as a slicer and grater and a meat rack, allowing you to cook complete meals at once. Cook hearty soups, stews, or your favourite pot roast. Steam a basket of healthy, nutritious vegetables. Grate fresh Parmesan cheese over your favourite pasta. And best of all, food stays at the ideal eating temperature for hours without reheating, so meals are hot and ready to eat no matter when your family gets home. We have spent over 2 years perfecting and testing every aspect of Zega to ensure it meets the highest standard of design and manufacture, as well as looking great in your kitchen. Zega is also the best conventional cookware you will ever own. Zega is a cooking revolution, and there is nothing like it currently on the market. It combines timeless cooking principles with the latest technology to make life easier in the kitchen. It complements our busy lifestyles so you can cook healthy, home-cooked meals with confidence. So stop slaving away in your kitchen and let Zega walkaway cookware do the cooking for you.
Jason works in an office. He has a laptop to work, a headphone for the music, and an iPad to check out the latest videos between breaks. Well, this is a secret. Jill plans to go on a work trip as an international working person. She has to pack the same things like Jason, plus some gadgets to pick up some sceneries. Check out these bricks. Well, how can you charge them all without so many of them in your bag? Introducing TAURUS 280, a power strip / adapter hybrid with 280 watt output. It's not just an adapter with super output, but also a power strip as well. Jason and Jill can now connect their laptops or iPads through 2 USB-C ports. The maximum output of 220 watts means they can charge at full speed of whatever he plugs in. The USB-A port supports up to 15 watt fast charging, while the USB-C goes up to 110 watts for any compatible device. What about Jill? Jill can take the upper half off when going out, plug it onto the wall socket to make an instant power station. Camera and drone with dedicated batteries can plug onto the strip to get charged, along with other devices now as well. Both parts have 140 watt output. Altogether, you got 280 watts. Wow. If you stay indoor to work with full power, the 280 is the perfect choice with up to 4 plugs, 4 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports with PD. Want to go out like Jill? Simply grab the upper part and you are free from power anxiety. We optimize the components on the inside to keep the working temperature low enough to be taken anywhere, while keeping the size as small and compact as possible. To drive the power of 280 watts in 100% safety, we have been implementing the circuit and testing under heavy loads, so that you don't need to worry a thing when taking it out with you. Adapter and power strip, 280 watts of output, and capability of working anywhere. TAURUS 280 is the only charging station you will ever need. Support us now on Kickstarter.
This is what we've been waiting for. A multifunctional hub that suits the demands of our life. Plug everything all at the same time, from charging multiple devices, attaching accessories, transferring data, and even accessing internet connection. This is the newest and first ADG 100 watts gallium nitride charger and hub. It's 100 watts gallium nitride technology that makes it a pocket-sized charger and hub that enables charging of 4 devices, while also connecting the laptop to either projector or television. This is also the first of its kind to launch an Ethernet port. It can directly connect your laptop to Wi-Fi router for a faster internet connection. The 3.5mm port for headphone is also a gift to every audiophile. Transferring data from microSD and SD simultaneously is now possible while using other ports too, while the HDMI connection is an impressive 4K at 60 Hz. Pin converters suitable to different countries. That also makes it a travel-friendly hub. Needless to say, we can get all the job done in just the blink of an eye. ADG 100 watts gallium nitride charger and hub.